Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to view old stories on Instagram. So let's go ahead and get started. The first step is to open Instagram on your phone. Once the app launches, click on your profile picture at the bottom right. Now, when you're on Instagram profile page, do not tap your current story circle. Instead, what you want to do is access the account tools. So tap on the three-line menu in the top right corner. This will open a panel with several Instagram features. Here, choose your activity first. So tap on your activity. Now, inside your activity, look for archive and tap on that. So scroll down to remove and archive content. Tap on archive. Once archive opens, Instagram will show content that has already disappeared from public view. At the top, tap the category and make sure Stories Archive is chosen. So this section contains all of your expired Instagram stories that Instagram saved privately. So scroll through every old story you uploaded before. Some accounts will show them in date order, while some versions allow you to see them in map or calendar. So just tap on any old story and it will open immediately. So just like that. So this lets you view the full image or video, stickers, text, music, and everything exactly how it looked when you originally posted it. So even though followers can no longer see it after 24 hours, you can still access it here anytime. You can still also see who liked your story. Now at the bottom of the screen, you can also use it to highlight. So click on highlight, then click on the plus icon to add it to your highlights. You can also click on the three dots. So here you can delete the story, save video, share as post, add paid partnership label. Now once done, let's go back. So here, under settings and activity, you can also click on archive to view your archive stories. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.